Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to update your iPhone to iOS 15. Before we update, I always like to do a backup of my current phone just in case something goes wrong. It's never a bad idea to be overly cautious. To do this, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in. This will hopefully speed up the process and will make sure that your iPhone doesn't power down while you're backing up. You'll also need to be doing both of these while doing the update. Open Settings and you may be faced with a new pop-up telling you to agree to the new iCloud terms. Go ahead and agree. If you don't see the pop-up window or maybe you closed it, tap New iCloud Terms and Conditions again, and then agree inside of here. Once you're done, tap your name above Apple ID, iCloud Media and Purchases, iCloud, and then scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. Make sure this option is enabled by turning down the slider on the right and then tap Backup Now. Once your backup finishes, we can then update to iOS 15. Head back into the Settings main menu and then choose General. Inside of the top section, choose Software Update. In here, you'll find all of the current updates available to you. We can see that I have 2 updates. It looks like I never installed the iOS 14.8 update, so if I wasn't ready for iOS 15 but I still wanted to make sure that I had the latest iOS 14 version, I could tap Download and Install here for that. But I want to go ahead and install iOS 15. Tap Upgrade to iOS 15 under the Also Available section at the bottom. Read through all of the new features, and when you're ready, confirm that you're connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in, and go ahead and tap Download and Install at the bottom. Next, enter the passcode associated with the iPhone, and then agree to the terms and conditions of iOS 15. This next part will take a little bit depending on the connection of your Wi-Fi. Follow through the entire install process, and when you're finished, your iPhone will reboot and load into iOS 15. And that's how you update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.